Good morning students, I am R. K. Yadav. Today we will study about polynomial chapter 2 mathematics of class 10. And what is polynomial? What is polynomial? A polynomial is an expression consists of constants, variables and exponents. The general form of polynomial is an x power n plus an minus 1 x power n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x power n minus 2 dot dot plus a2 x power 2 plus a1 x power 1 plus a0 x power 0, where a0, a1, a2 dot dot an are called constants and an is not equal to 0. The highest power of this polynomial is n, so degree of this polynomial is n. Now the coefficient of x power n is an, coefficient for x power n minus 1 is an minus 1, the coefficient of x to the power n minus 2 is an minus 2, and similarly coefficient of x square equal to a2, coefficient of x equal to a1, and a0 is constant term, and an x power n, this is term, this is another term, this is another term. So polynomial is formed by variables. Here variable is x, constants a0, a1, a2 up to n are constants, and its exponent n. N is always non-negative integer. This is the condition for polynomial. An expression is known as polynomial only when its power is non-negative integer, that is, it is not in the form of fraction or in the form of negative integer. It is only non-negative integers, that is whole numbers. It means, let us take some examples of expressions. Someone is x square plus x to the power 7 plus 7 to the power 15. The degree of this polynomial is highest power of the variable. Here variable is x and highest power is 7, so degree equal to 7, and this is polynomial because the exponents of variable is in the form of non-negative integers, that is 2, here exponent is 7 and variable is x, and so on. Second example, let us take x plus 1 by x, or x square plus 1 by x. What will be its degree? Its degree is not defined because this is not polynomial. This is not polynomial. Why? This expression can be written as x square plus x to the power minus 1, and the condition is the value of exponent is non-negative integer, but here is negative integer. -1 is negative integer. Similarly, take another example, x cube plus x minus root 2. This is polynomial because the power of variable is non-negative integer, so that its degree will be 3. Let's another example, x power 5 plus 3 root 2 plus 6. This is also a polynomial because here x is variable and exponent is 5, so its degree is equal to 5. Let us take another example, x cube plus 2 root x plus 5. This is not polynomial. This is not polynomial because the exponent of x here 3 and exponent of x is x to the power 1 by 2. This is the form of fraction. X to the under root x means x to the power 1 by 2. It cannot, the power cannot be that is it is equal to x cube plus 2x to the power 1 by 2 plus 5. Here power of x is in the form of fraction, but our condition is n is non-negative integer. So now we will study what is degree. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomials. The highest power of the variable, highest power of the variable in the given polynomial, in the polynomial is called its degree, is called its degree. This is the definition of degree, the highest power of the variables in a polynomial. The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called its degree. Let's an example, 3x square plus 2x minus 8. This is a polynomial because the power of variable is here 2 and power of this x is 1. These are non-negative integers, so this is polynomial. There are 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3. 8 is known as constant and the coefficient of x is 2 and coefficient of x square is 3, and the highest power of the variable x is 2, so its degree becomes 2. So its degree will be 2. Now we will study the types of polynomials, types of polynomials. We will study the types of polynomial on 2 bases. First is on the basis of degree, and second is on the basis of term. Degree is the highest power, and terms in this expression there are 3 terms 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3 terms. In this there are 2 terms, there are 3 terms, and these are the terms. So we will study the types of polynomial on the basis of degree and on the basis of term. When the degree is not defined, then this is known as zero polynomial. Second, constant polynomial. Third, linear polynomial. Fourth, quadratic polynomial. Five, cubic polynomial. And 6, biquadratic polynomial. This division on the basis of their degree. If degree is not defined, this is known as zero polynomial. Constant polynomial, degree is 0, and linear polynomial, degree is 1. Quadratic polynomial, degree is 2. Cubic polynomial, degree is 3. And biquadratic polynomial, degree is 4. And we will again discuss these terms. Now let's the types of polynomial on the basis of terms. In earlier classes, we learn about this classification. First is zero polynomial. Second, monomial. Third, binomial. Fourth, trinomial, tetranomial, pentanomial, and n-nomial. When the number of terms are 0, then this is known as zero polynomial. And monomial, when there are 1 terms, then are 1 terms. Binomial, when there are 2 terms, and trinomial, when there are 3 terms. For example is this is simply 0. An example of monomial, suppose this example is 2x. Example of binomial is x square plus 5. Trinomial, x square plus 2x plus 7, and so on. In trinomial there are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. And binomial there are 2 terms, 1, 2. And monomial there is only 1 terms, 2x. And zero polynomial is simply written as 0. And on the basis of degree, zero polynomial is, this is 0. Because its degree is not defined. because you can write 0 as 0 into 2, 0 into x की power 5, so its degree is not defined. 0 into x की power 7 and so on. So its degree here in this case degree is 5, here in this case degree is 7, so degree is fluctuated, so this is not defined. The degree of 0 is not defined. Also you can write 0 into 5 power 9, it becomes 0, and 5 here write variable x power 9, so this degree is 9, and here degree is 7, here degree is 5, so degree is fluctuated. So the 0 polynomial is denoted by 0 and its degree is not defined. And constant polynomial, the degree of constant polynomial is 0. For example, 7 can be written as 7 into x power 0, so here degree is 0. The degree of 7x to the power 0 is, the exponent of a variable x is 0, so its degree is 0. Linear polynomial whose degree is 1. Example, 2x plus 5, the highest power of variable x is 1, so this is known as linear polynomial. Quadratic, the highest power degree is 2. For example, x squared plus 3x plus 7, here maximum degree is 2, maximum power of the variable x is 2, so its degree is 2. This is known as quadratic polynomial. Cubic polynomial, its example is the highest power of variable is 3, that is x cube plus 2x square plus 5. The highest degree of highest power of the variable x is 3, so its degree is 3 and it is known as cubic polynomial. Biquadratic, its example is its highest power of the variable is 4, so x power 4 plus 7 plus 3x square. In this expression or this polynomial, the highest power of variable x is 4, so this is the degree of this polynomial is 4, and this is known as biquadratic polynomial. So our topic is types of polynomial. Types of polynomial divided in two parts, on the basis of degree and on the basis of terms. On the basis of degree, when degree is not defined, this is known as zero polynomial. When degree is 0, then constant polynomial. When degree is 1, this is linear polynomial. When degree is 2, quadratic polynomial. Degree is 3, cubic polynomial. Degree is 4, biquadratic polynomial. And on the basis of term, 0 is zero polynomial, and if there are one term 2x, this is monomial. And when two terms x squared plus 5, there are two terms, this is binomial. Example of binomial. Trinomial, there are 3 terms. Tetranomial, 4 terms. Pentanomial, 5 terms, and so on. Now let's see. We will study about the zeros of polynomial. What is the zeros of polynomial? Zeros of polynomial. Next topic is zeros of a polynomial. what is zeros of a polynomial? If the value of px at x equal to k, if the value of px at x equal to k is 0, that is pk equal to 0, then x equal to k will be the 0 of that polynomial. Px. For example, find the zeros of polynomial px equal to x square minus 4. We simply, at what value we will get its value 0. So for this we will simply write x square minus 4 equal to 0, or x equal to 4, then x equal to under root 4, x equal to plus minus 2. So there are two zeros. Then zeros are plus 2 and minus 2. The highest degree of this polynomial is 2, so there will be two zeros, and here we find two zeros are plus 2 and minus 2. When we put x equal to 2 here, then 2 square, this is 4, minus 4 equal to 0, and when we will put minus 2 here, minus 2 whole square equal to 4, and this is minus 4, this also becomes 0. So if the value of px at x equal to k, here x equal to plus 2 and minus 2 is 0, that is pk equal to 0, then x equal to k will be the zeros of polynomial px, so that this and this will be the zeros of above polynomial. We will discuss more later about this. Now we will study about geometrical meaning of the zeros of polynomial. Geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. Geometrical meaning of the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomials are the x coordinates of the points where the graph of the polynomial intersects the x-axis. It means its geometrical meaning is where the graph cuts the x-axis, that will be the number of zeros. Suppose this is graph, say x and x dax, y and y dax. So what is zeros? Zero or zeros. Zeros of any polynomial are the x coordinate of the point where the graph of the polynomial intersects. X coordinates of the point where the graph x coordinates of the point where the graph cuts the x-axis. Here this is a polynomial px, the graph of polynomial px. This cuts x-axis at 1, 2 and 3 points. So the zeros of this polynomial will be 3. Its zeros equal to 1, 2, 3 because it cuts x-axis at 3 points.